everyone, this is a tutorial to walk you through buying Glow V2 from our website using Flooz Trade. So from our main page, you want to go to the menu of options on the top right hand corner, tap on the three lines. It will open up the ability to navigate to how to buy. Tap on how to buy, brings you to our how to buy page, listing all of the options that you can use to purchase Glow V2. If you scroll down a little bit further past the list, you'll see our Flooz Trade widget that will assist you in either buying BNB. If you do not currently have BNB, you will need to procure it in order to buy Glow V2, or if you already have tokens in your wallet, you of course can trade that for Glow V2 as well. In this case, I've already connected my wallet, so if you've not done so, you would simply click connect, go through the validation process to access your account, complete the validation, it will bring you back to this page, and then you have the choice of using the Smart Chain BNB, or in this case, I want to select a different token, so I will be using BUSD today. It'll take a few moments and locate the BUSD in my wallet. And then in select token, I will do the same. Open up select token and then enter in Glow V2. You'll see it's selected. And then now you want to go ahead and enter in the amount you want to swap out. So in this case, I'll go ahead and do $25. And you'll see right away that the amount is converted on your screen to the allotment of Glow V2 tokens that you'll receive. And then all you'll need to do is tap on the swap button. It will ask you to confirm the amount that you have selected in the prior steps. Tap on confirm swap. It will go through the validation process for your wallet. So you want to go in and approve. And then in just a few seconds, just refresh my screen. I'll navigate back to my wallet. Click on refresh and you'll see that it's deducted the $25 from the BUSD and I've received my Glow V2 tokens. Really quick and easy process to buy Glow directly from our website. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and many more exciting things to come for March and the coming months. So appreciate your interest in Glow and for investing in Glow. Hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.